Hi friends, welcome to my channel. After seeing the chart, what do you think? This is a uptrend or downtrend? So this will find out in technical analysis. So I'm talking about this cryptocurrency, that is Unibase coin, and I'm in the weekly chart. So let us draw the trend line. So you can see this is the support trend line and this is the resistance trend line, and you can see that previously the candles were moving in a upward direction. So this is the support and this is the resistance. Okay, and then you can see the downtrend started. So this is the support trend line and this is the resistance trend line. So clearly you can see it is a downtrend channel pattern. Candles are falling in this channel pattern. Okay, so if you daily chart, you can see after the fall the candles have come down to support level. Here it has taken support and now candles are moving in this channel pattern. So this is the resistance trend line and this is support trend line. So you can see that after this fall, the breakout happened, candles went to the resistance level, fall happened. After the breakout the candles have gone up, and now from here the candles may start falling towards the support level. In case if it gives a breakout, then candles may move to this resistance level. Okay, and then if the breakout doesn't happen, then candles may fall to the support and then it may go up like this. Okay, so like this the candles are moving in this channel pattern. You can see that previously you can see candles were moving in this channel pattern. Okay, then downtrend started. Okay, so this is the support resistance trend line, and then after the breakout the candles have gone up like this. It was moving, and then if the breakout in upward direction, then candles may move to the resistance level. Okay, or else it will fall to the support. So here it may take support around 0.02945 and it may go to the resistance level around 0.038447. so like this the candles move. In case if it gives a breakout, it may go to the resistance level, which is around 0.067592. Okay, so like this the candles are moving. You can see it is a downtrend channel pattern. Continuously the candles will fall in this channel pattern. Okay, and it may come down to the support level. Okay, so like this it may come down to the support level, and after this breakout the candles may start moving in upward direction towards this resistance level and then fall by take place. So currently you can see candles are falling in this downtrend channel pattern. In case if there is a breakout happens from here, it may move to the resistance level and then fall may take place. So like this it is moving. And if you see this RSI in daily chart, you can see the RSI is in the overbought zone. When the reversal takes place, then you may see the fall will take place. If it stays in this overbought zone, then you may see a breakout and candles may start moving towards this resistance level. Okay, so now we'll talk about other details about this cryptocurrency. So you can see the current price is $0.04312. It is up by 12%. Rank is around 263. Around 3k users are following this cryptocurrency. Market cap is $107.82 million, and the volume in 24 hours is $19.15 million. It is up by 94%. Total supply is 10 billion UB coin, and the holder is around 64.91k holders for this cryptocurrency. Maximum supply is 10 billion UB coin, and the circulating supply is around 2.5 billion UB coins. So you can see very clearly these are the other details for this cryptocurrency. Okay, so now we'll go to the chart. So it is very important to draw trend lines to find out support resistance level. With that you can find out what trend it is following. So previously you can see candles were moving in a uptrend channel pattern. Okay, like this it was moving, and then breakout happened. Now candles will move in this downtrend channel pattern. If there is a breakout happen, go up and then fall by take place. So like this it may move in this downtrend channel pattern until it is not giving a breakout from this channel pattern. So this is the complete downtrend channel pattern. So continuously the cancel move in this channel pattern. In case if it gives a breakout, then uptrend may start. Okay, so that's all for now. I hope you like this video. Please like, share, subscribe my channel, and this video is for educational purpose only, no financial advice. Do your research before you take up any decision. Thank you.